How to cancel Roblox Premium without logging in. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to cancel the Roblox Premium subscription without logging in. It's a simple process, so follow along carefully. First of all, you have to search for Roblox Help on the Google and click on the first link, that is help.roblox.com. And once on the page, go to the billing tab and look for cancel. You can also use the search bar for quicker access. Look for cancel requiring membership, and this will guide you on canceling your subscription. If you can't log in, go to the I am not able to log into the account section and contact the customer support by clicking the blue link or going to roblox.com/support. Provide your username, first name, email, platform you play on, select billing and payments, and then choose cancel membership. Explain why you want to cancel and why you can't log in. Then they will reach out for the more information. I hope this guide helps you on canceling your Roblox Premium without logging in. So if this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.